We're seeing flashing lights ahead, folks. People are going left even though there's no sign to say merge left, merge left. Let's see what's happening. Merge left, merge left. I can see a green down there. Hurry up, go across. Hurry up, go across. Now it's a red ahead of me. There's people over in the gas station lot talking about what happened. I can see it was a crash. The truck ran into that truck. Well, that's got front end damage. Oh, I see. One of the ones involved in the crash is already out of the road, but I have a feeling that the truck that ran into it, which I'm looking back, is really smashed badly, caved in the front. Probably can't actually drive anywhere. Oh well. Keep your distance. Try not to follow too closely. You know? That's my many years of driving advice. Yeah. Steve A.B.4L. Just an idiot running his mouth, saying see you at 73. Well, folks, this might be a continuation. There's a fire truck in the lane there. There's something pulled off. There's another crash. You see the crash? You see the crash? Yeah, there's a crash there. Ooh! And I almost ran over the glass in the road. Yeah. I'm going to go back and look at it. I'm going to go back and look at it. Yeah, man. Let's go back and look at it. See the front bumper assembly or whatever it is right there by the pole, the utility pole. Let's see what happens when we get the green arrow to the right. So that's 2 crashes approaching 6 p.m. 2 traffic lights apart. One traffic light apart, so to speak. It must be 5 o'clock traffic. That's what it is. Now, let me just say that 90% of the automobile collisions in Asheville happen along this stretch. See it there? See it? See the car? Ooh, we gotta be careful. We gotta be careful. We gotta squeeze. Yeah, man. Okay, they're moving now. I'll just go in behind them. I'm still going to the big box store, but I can go this way. Okay, just being nosy about car crashes. Steve A.B.4L saying see you at 73.